Dictionary defines patriarchy as a system of society or government in which men hold the power and women are largely excluded from it. I define patriarchy as when a woman feels like a guest in her own story, when a home becomes a cage disguised as a sanctuary. It's the silence that hides her strength and the smiles that conceal her truth. It's not just a word in books or a relic of the past. It's the invisible weight a woman carries every day. It's the expectations that shape her every move, the whispered rules she's told to follow, and the unspoken dreams she's forced to bury. Her life becomes a performance, and behind the curtains is a world she's afraid to show. This painting isn't just art, it's a question. What does freedom mean in a world that demands her submission? And how long must she wait before every woman can live her truth?